Friends, welcome to my channel Healthcare. So, our today topic is cucumber and honey mask for wrinkles. Wrinkles can occur naturally as a part of getting older, but certain practices, such as wearing sunscreen, may help slow signs of aging. Wrinkles, also known as rhytides, are folds in your skin. As you age, your skin produces less of the protein, collagen, and elastin. This makes your skin thinner and less resistant to damage. Cucumber mask for wrinkles. Cucumber mask to get wrinkle-free skin. You will need cucumber juice. What you have to do: scoop out the seeds from the cucumber and grate the rest. Squeeze the grated cucumber to extract the juice. Gently cleanse your skin and apply this all over your face. Let it dry naturally and then rinse with water. How often you should do this? Repeat this once every day. Why this works? This one is yet another home remedy for wrinkle-free skin that is simply fail-proof. Cucumber contains 95% water and many minerals and vitamins. Within a few applications, you will see that the wrinkles and dark circles have visibly reduces. Honey for wrinkles you will need. Raw honey. What you have to do: apply honey on your skin and massage for a minute or so. Or you can add honey and aloe vera gel. Leave it on for a half an hour and then rinse with lukewarm water. You can also shred a small piece of ginger and add it to the honey for added benefits. How often we should use this? Do this every day for healthy and youthful skin. Why this work? Heavy work really tells on your eyes, and with age, they get wrinkles and look very tired. Counter this by applying best quality bees honey around the skin of your eyes. It balances the skin pH and conditions. It to decrease the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Lemon juice for wrinkles. You will need lemon juice, honey. What you have to do: mix equal quantities of lemon juice and honey for 1 tablespoon of honey and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Apply this mixture on your face and neck. Let it dry for 10 minutes. Rinse it with lukewarm water. How often you should do this? You can repeat this twice a week. Why this works? Lemon juice is not just useful to quench your thirst during the summer, but you can use it as part of your beauty treatments as well. Its vitamin C content helps in rebuilding collagen in the skin, which in turn fades away wrinkles and fine lines. Shea butter for wrinkles. You will need organic shea butter. How can we use? Massage the affected area with shea butter using gentle circular motion. How often you should do this? This is best done every day after taking a shower. Why this work? Shea butter is extremely hydrating for the skin. It improves the elasticity of the skin and also promotes collagen synthesis. I hope these all remedies will be helpful for your skins and for your wrinkles. Give me thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you.